Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 1 chemical reactions and equations. In this chapter, we have started of learning types of chemical reaction, and also we have learned four type of chemical reactions, which are combination reactions, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and the fourth one that we have seen in our recent previous video, which is double displacement reaction. Today in this video we are going to continue the types of chemical reactions and fifth type of chemical reaction, which is oxidation and reduction. So we will learn what is oxidation, what is reduction by an activity 1.11, and also we will see its definition. So let us start the activity 1.11 named in your textbook, which is oxidation of copper to copper oxide. Here you can see the figure of the activity 1.11. First of all, to perform this activity, what are the things that we need, which are the china dish containing copper powder, then wire gauze, tripod stand, and a burner. These things we needed for performing an activity. Now let us understand the process of this activity. So first of all, what will we do? We'll heat a china dish containing about 1 gram copper powder. We'll take 1 gram copper powder in the china dish. We'll put it on the wire gauze, and we'll put the wire gauze on the tripod stand, and then we'll turn on the burner, and we will give heat to the china dish which contains the copper powder. Now, what do you observe from this activity? Let's see the observation. The surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. Why has this black substance formed? This is because oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed. If we are heating the copper powder, then in the observation we can see that the copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide, and this is because oxygen is present in air, so oxygen is added to that copper, so it forms the copper oxide. Now let us see the chemical reaction for this activity, which is 2Cu plus O2. If we will give heat, then we get 2CuO. It means copper plus oxide, it gives copper oxide. Copper reacts with the oxygen and will get copper oxide. Now, if hydrogen gas is passed over this heated material, it means the copper oxide, the black coating on the surface turns brown. If the hydrogen gas is passed over this CuO, then that black coating on that surface turns into the brown color by the presence of hydrogen. Observe that thing. So copper is obtained, and then we'll get copper, and the reaction of that is given by CuO plus H2. If we are going to heat this, then we'll get Cu plus H2O. So hydrogen gas is passed over this copper oxide, then we'll get copper and H2O. It means water. Next, oxidation and reduction. Now, what is oxidized and what is reduced? Let us see. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. That word you should remember, that gains oxygen. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. It means if a substance loses the oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. So, here is the chemical reaction that hydrogen passes through the copper oxide. The copper oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced. Here you can see the copper oxide is losing the oxygen, so is being reduced. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and is being oxidized, and this hydrogen is gaining oxygen. This hydrogen is gaining the oxygen. In the right hand side you can see, so that is being oxidized. According to classical or earlier concept, here we are going to introduce the definition of oxidation. According to classical or earlier concept, oxidation is a process which involves the addition of oxygen or any electronegative element or the removal of hydrogen or any electropositive element. If in the reaction the oxygen is added or the hydrogen is removed or any electronegative element is added or any electropositive element is removed, then the process is called an oxidation process. So the main thing that you should remember, that the addition of oxygen in any reaction, if the oxygen is added in the reaction, it means it is oxidation. Or the removal of hydrogen, you can also say it is an oxidation. So this is the proper definition for the oxidation. Now let us see what is reduction. According to classical or earlier concept, reduction is a process which involves the addition of hydrogen or any electropositive element or the removal of oxygen or any electronegative element. Reduction is the total different from the oxidation. In the reduction, there is an addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. In any chemical reaction, if hydrogen is added or electropositive element is added or oxygen is removed or electronegative element is removed, then we can say that that chemical reaction, that process is a reduction process. Reduction reaction. So the only thing that you should remember in the reduction, which is the addition of hydrogen. Any reaction hydrogen is added, it is reduction process. So here is the proper definition for the reduction. So in this video we have completed the oxidation and the reduction part. Thank you.